Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to say happy labors to all the hardworking teachers and all the professions who are contributing to the growth of this country. Secondly, I'm going to move to the May attractions, so the competitions which are going to take place in the month of May, I mean the inter-house competition. So let me tell you all, everyone, clearly in detail. For class 2nd to 3rd, I mean 2nd and 3rd, the competition will be, inter-house competition will be Mother's Day card making. So the stuff required for Mother's Day card making can be colorful sheets, glitter papers can be there, stones can be there, sparkles can be there. So the number of participants I need from each house will be 2 from each class. I mean 1 from class 2nd and 1 from class 1st. The next competition is from for class 4 and 5. The competition is poem writing on motherhood. And the number of participants will be 4 from each house, 2 from class 4 and 2 from class 5. Poem writing, I mean you can use a chart paper or you can use cardboard and you can paste a sheet on this. You can use black charts also and you can do painting, you can write, whatever you want to do the creativity on that particular object. It's up to you. The next is class 6 competition. For class 6 competition is very interesting this time. Make mini books. They have to design a mini book in the given period, and what you have to write in the mini book, the theme, you know the theme for the competition is divided into 3 parts. The one is Mother's Day celebration, today is going to be Labour's Day, and third is the Buddha Purnima. So for mini books, the material will be paper, scissors, ribbon, markers and colors. And what will be the theme? You have to divide 3 topics in that mini books. The first topic you have to write upon will be write a narrative about your favorite memory with mother. You have to give a description. The second will be tell the story of your typical day when your mother helps you. And the third will be why I love my mother. That will be the 3 questions which you have to describe in your mini books. I think you understand. You have made dictionary in this school. The same way you have to design your mini books for your Mother's Day. The next competition for class 8 will be decorate vase. So vase, everybody know it's a kind of open container. You all have seen फूलदान भी कहते हैं उसे. It is made up of certain kind of things like glass. Sometimes it is made of ceramic, metals, and sometimes stainless steel. So this vase you will decorate. You have to decorate the vase. You can use painting color depending on the base which you are choosing. You can paste tissue papers, charts, whatever you want, and others decorative item. And the theme for decorating the vase will be Buddha Purnima. I mean Buddha's Jayanti or their birthday. So you can draw their portrait or you can write few lines on them on that. So the material required will be the glass bottle or any kind of container, tissue paper, glues, sponge brushes, paint brushes. This is a kind of a hint I am giving you. Other is it's your approach, whatever you want to do the creativity. So this is for all the May attraction. And the competition dates, please listen carefully. For class 2nd and 3rd, the competition will be on 11. Same for 4 and 5 will be on 11 May. And the next competition, decorate vase. This will be on 18th May. So all the house masters will give me the names positively today of the participants. Next, let me introduce about EIA. So everybody know that last year we had conducted EIA. EIA stands for Excellence in Assembly. So I'm going to give you the description once again because those are the newcomers, they do not know about EIA, which is a program organized in Goshen School every year. So EIA एक प्रोग्राम है जिससे कि हम स्टूडेंट्स को डेली स्टेज पे बुलाते हैं 2 और 3 स्टूडेंट रैंडमली किसी भी बच्चे का रोल नंबर आ सकता है और उनको उससे पहले प्री इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि जो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो वट एवर द टीचर इज गिविंग MCQ, फिल अप क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और लॉन्ग और टॉपिक प्रेजेंटेशन वो टीचर्स आपको पहले ही बता देंगे बट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दैट एंड रैंडमली एनी स्टूडेंट कैन बी कॉल ऑन द स्टेज एंड the chief mentor of EIA will ask you the several questions. So let me give you a brief description once more. So EIA is excellence in academics, is the same kind of program. Here the students are called in assembly randomly. They are asked questions. Those who perform excellent, they are socially rewarded, and those who lag behind, they are mentored by their class teachers. It is not like that you will be insulted in assembly. You have to increase your confidence. Every day 3 to 5 questions will be asked to the students and 3 to 5 students will be invited on the stage from class 3rd to 12th. They can be asked 2 to 3 questions from randomly selected subjects. EIE activities from assembly includes. So what can be the criteria? You can see it can be objective questions, subjective questions, topic presentation can also be there, and very important, this time we'll also do the notebook display for the primary sections. We'll give you one day that we are going to bring the notebook of maths or science, whatever subjects you have, and that notebook display will be from the assembly by that particular student. So, and one more thing can be there, you can also give to the student, those are in lower section, poem recitation can be there, table recitation can be there depending on the classes.